Hello guys, so I have some data with a bunch of YouTubers here. If we want to create a table out of them, we just mark them, we go to insert, we click table. Here we have this selection which we can change. Here we can include or exclude the headers, which is the top row. We click OK and we have our table. We can also change the visuals of our table by going up here, expanding the list from here, and choosing a different design. We have dark designs, medium, and light. This example was made in Excel 2016. This should work for the older versions 2013, 2010, 2007. So this is how you actually create a table in Excel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.